Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. It's my second day here on the ship. First full day because I boarded the ship yesterday, which was Saturday, sometime around, I guess, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So today we're going to check out Deck 6, which is a main deck here on the Norwegian Getaway. It's got a couple of decks that have several restaurants and shops and things like that. Deck 6 is a more popular deck. It's got the Atrium as well and lots of bars and stuff. So let's head on over to Deck 6 and check out what's going on there. Not too much commentary, more music, and just checking things out. So come on, let's go inside and check it out. This is the Illusionarium, one of many theaters here on the ship. If, God forbid, you're here on business, well, there's meeting rooms right here on Deck 6. There's also the photography studio as well. This is the Internet Cafe. If you didn't bring any laptops or tablets with you, you can certainly hook up on the internet here at the cafe. If you have any issues as far as your Wi-Fi is concerned, which I did on my first day here on the ship, they straightened me out right away. Got my phone working, got the laptop working, and everything's running smoothly. Very slow, and that's to be expected. Everything's done by satellite here, but it's internet nonetheless, and you can make phone calls if you have your phone hooked up correctly. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my last Las Vegas video, The Park. I'm in front of Headliner's nightclub, a comedy club here on the Norwegian Getaway. I'm in the beautiful Atrium. There's two Atriums actually. One is like a meeting area, and the other one is this one that has a couple of restaurants surrounding it. It's 3 stories high, the casino being in the middle. A couple of restaurants, including the Headliner's Club. There's a Le Bistro right behind me, which is a French restaurant. And this is just a beautiful area of the ship. Someone inside told me they're doing a wine tasting today at 12 o'clock. I got such a full agenda, I don't know if I'm going to make that one, but if you miss something here on the ship and you're on the ship for several days, chances are they're going to repeat that event. They have a art gallery here on the ship, and you're free to purchase anything. They also have art auctions as well. This is teppanyaki, the Japanese steakhouse, where a bunch of people just sit around a chef who throws those shrimps and pieces of meat around and vegetables as well. You know what I'm talking about. It's a Japanese steakhouse here on deck 6. Behind me is the Mix Bar. It separates Savor and Taste, the two complimentary restaurants. There's several complimentary restaurants, but Savor and Taste are two complimentary restaurants here on deck 6. I just had breakfast at Savor this morning. It was delicious.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
This little area at the end of Deck 6 shows all the awards the Norwegian Getaway has earned over the years. If you enjoy watching videos here on the New York channel, why not support the channel by clicking on that thanks button right underneath the video you're watching right now. You can also support the channel by checking out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. As always, your support is greatly appreciated. There's two banks of elevators here on the Norwegian Getaway, one in the aft area, which is where we are, the back of the ship, and there's also some in the forward area, the front of the ship as well. And depending upon where your cabin is, those are the elevators you can use. There's also stairs that take you up and down every flight as well on both ends of the ship. And that's it for Deck 6 of the Norwegian Getaway. Let me know what you thought. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.